abusuan for send na me de bia me kan no won se ewiase ade chi na se yenti bibia ye chiri ene sen eda no ada ene beto dwase abranti a ye ba no national science and maths quiz a beto dwase ogina mu bi edema keta school a ye friend ye twa no short e friend keta school no abranti e afrimu ya obi ni ebeku no na ebinum ekeka se ade a food poison ene ekunu na mbom ensem abeto dwa enam montene so ne se opapa ana afi obusuan ni bi ade abeto dwa se abranti ne se kase food poison ene ekunu na ade a eyentro ye pa eno ntino obusuan fo no ade abeto dwa se food poison say den enye food poison ekunu na mbom wo kire mu se wa bra abranti ni free school University of Ghana Legon eba afie no na afide na pomodin sem na eyade enkoyi na enanso ama ne papa mo ede ne call arsabia era na test ahodo bebre na abra wo twen test na na fofure anto ata ma okodware abam enanso ama abranti wahwere ne nkwan ya ade osun ane areho ade apre ebusian na opapa akire mu se abrante na nkasa abra otia so na se ba ne se ahome a ye nyina ye home ne totore a abrante na eyade a na owo problem e wo ho e ba ne se ohome a owo problem e wo ho na eno anti obi entimi ngina so enkasa ebia eno ana ekunu anase bibisa na mo yenkotie nsama wode tudwane ebi.
The story. What exactly happened to James? Because we are learning he was actually in preparation to leave the shores of this country for further studies.
Yeah, so Benjamin, we are still getting enough details and gathering some more information. But what I've gathered so far, as I got here from a close friend of James Lutrot, who we'll speak to shortly, to tell us more about what he knows about his childhood friend, so to say. But from what I gather, James was 19-year-old studying computer science at the University of Ghana. And so social media was rife with information that he was supposed to travel outside. However, I can't confirm these speculations that were posted yesterday. I believe the family and relatives will be in the best position to tell us if indeed he was gearing up and preparing to travel, like the reports were saying. But I know that for starters, he was schooling here in the country, particularly at the University of Ghana, studying computer science.
And Caleb, you say that the residence is abandoned. Does it mean that you've not met any of the family relations since you got there?
Yeah, so since I got here, the only individuals I have spoken to are the neighbors of the Lutrot family, let me put it that way. And I understand that the father will only make himself available in the evening. And I believe it has to do with some processes as regards the demise of his son. He should be at the hospital from what I also gather. So no one is at the residence. No one is at home as I speak to you. The doors are closed. Cars just left here. And so we can only get to speak to the father in the late hours of 4 to 5 p.m., where I understand neighbors tell me that is when he's likely to come around after probably wrapping up with whatever he has to do at the hospital.
Do we know which hospital that the remains of James are being stored or kept now?
I don't know which hospital, but if I may, I want us to have that interaction with the childhood friend of James. He seems to know more, and then we can get all the information from him. So let me just move the video to the friend of James. So this is the childhood friend of James, and just so listeners can appreciate who you are. First, tell us your name.
I'm Ali Abdul Aziz.
And so just tell me, can you please share a little bit about James?
Oh, well, James is a childhood friend, very good friend. He's such a quiet guy. Move around, do everything together. He's not someone who's harsh. Like, he's very cool. Yeah, he's respectful. I really love him.
But how did you discover how he passed away yesterday? How did you discover it?
Well, I was in the house yesterday when a friend came to me. He was speaking with me, like, I don't know what happened. He told me about head of my friend Adam. I said, yeah, some few months ago we tested online. He was in school. He said he was passing by and he said that he's dead. I said, how come? So I had to rush and come and find out. When I came, I saw a lot of people around, and what he told me was really true.
Pacho and some of the 2 Johnny, one casawati, and 1 near go. The Pacho way, and my yin and young says, a salmon bar, that's a yente, a 7 muya, the Pacho, and my young water, and my uncle, and my aunt pay on 110, and what I say, say, no one say, Naya Asimisi, the Pacho, following, not for like Fabra, not for 4 comments, Fabra, not Pia, share, and my for no one who near go. I only said I had attention TV, meeting, Adiaman Sanchame, Aquasi, Mensa.